Hi there, welcome to 2024. We're going to kick off the year with a quick word game. How many words can you make from the following word wheel? You can only use each letter once, and you must use the central letter in any word that you create. Your PD tutor will issue merits to anyone who comes out with an interesting polysyllabic word. There's also one word that uses every single letter in the word wheel, so if you can find that, you'll get 3 merits. Your teacher will pause the video and give you 1 minute to find as many words as you can. Off you go. Okay, the word that uses every single letter in the word wheel is demographic. Count up your scores and see who got the most words today. Right, today we're going to look at a new morpheme. Today's morpheme is graph. There's much to say about the Greek root graph, which means to write, so let this written discourse begin. One of the most common uses of this root is the suffix graphe. Geography is simply writing about the physical characteristics of the earth. A biography is writing about someone's life, whereas an autobiography is writing about your own life. And a bibliography is a written list of books you've used when writing a paper. Many people write in different ways. For instance, a calligrapher is one who writes with beautiful handwriting. A choreographer, on the other hand, writes dance steps. A cinematographer writes scenes in a film by using the camera. Writing with film is not unusual at all. Consider a photographer who expresses herself by writing with light on film. Life was made much easier by transmitting messages via telegraph, which wrote at a distance. What do you do with graph paper on which lines have already been written? You, of course, draw a graph or written diagram. Paragraphs are written. Paragraphs are so called, however, because they are written alongside each other. So that's the graph morpheme. Now we've looked at words containing the morpheme graph, let's see how many words you can make using the morpheme matrices grid on the next slide. Using the grid above, see how many words you can make using the root morpheme graph. Your teacher will pause the video now. Well done. Today we embarked on a thrilling exploration of the graph morpheme, unravelling its impact on words related to writing. Remember, understanding morphemes unlocks the hidden treasures of language, enhances your vocabulary and deepens your appreciation for the beauty of words. Please remind your PD tutor to update their Word of the Week poster with a word containing today's morpheme. Join us next time for more exhilarating adventures into the world of language. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning and let the magic of morphemes guide your way. Bye! Finally, here are Bedrock champions for this week. Absolutely fantastic work. Please remember that everyone in the school is aiming for at least 20 points a week, but you can actually achieve up to 140 points a week if you work really hard.